How to fix privacy settings on TikTok. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can easily fix TikTok privacy settings. Well, the process is plain and simple. If you want to fix any of your privacy settings on TikTok, for instance, you want to switch to private account or you want any privacy settings, I'll get you to the option where you can do just that. Simply proceed to open up your TikTok first. Once you open up TikTok, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. The pop-up will appear from the bottom where you can see the settings and privacy option right here. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, now you can see the privacy option. You can tap on it and now all your privacy settings will be here. For instance, if you want to switch in between your private account and public account, if you want private account, you can enable it. If you want public account, you can disable it. Similarly, you can see activity status. If you want your activity status, that is your online status, to be shown to your friends, then you can toggle it on. If not, you can toggle it off. If you want your account to be suggested to others, you can see whether you want it suggested for your contacts, Facebook friends, or that you can check it out from here. Similarly, if you want to sync contacts and Facebook friends, you can enable it, or you can remove previously synced contacts and turn it off as well. Similarly, you can see the interactions privacy settings for comments, mentions, messaging, reuse of content, downloads, following list, liked videos, favorite sounds, blocked accounts, and privacy checkup for the privacy policy. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.